गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Raise your right hand for inner prayer. Prayer by Honorable Secretary Manasu.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children. Notwithstanding the differences in our cultures and creeds, endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Thank you, Manasu. Good afternoon, friends. I welcome you all for the installation ceremony of Innerville Club of Dombili East President 2021-22, Mrs. Rohini Lokre and her team. A very warm welcome to our today's chief guest, past district chairman, beautiful personality, Dr. Devangi Vakaria. Welcome, ma'am. Guest of honor, Rotary immediate past district governor 3142, Shri Sandeep Kadam sir. Rotary president Shri Kaustubh Kasharkar sir, and family members of Rohini, friends and fellow Innerville members. Welcome all. It is amazing how quickly the year has gone by. I feel very humble and honored for you all giving me the opportunity to serve as president of IWC Dombili East. The theme of Innerville was Lead the Change. We followed this theme. Lead the Change started with great positivity. The theme Lead the Change has brought many changes in the working of our Innerville organization. Unfortunately, the pandemic has hit us badly this year, and we were left helpless amidst lockdowns and curfews. So couldn't do the physical projects, fellowships, but we had done the projects whichever possible and tried our best. All members wholeheartedly supported to all the projects in form of donations and fieldwork. Here's a heartwarming thanks to all my dear friends, Innerville Club of Dombili East members for the trust on my abilities. My team and EC team support and encouragement have always been driving factors for my presidentship. Thanks a lot for your help. I couldn't have done it without you all. Here I am showing the journey of my presidentship year. Uh, 16th July on my online installation. Next, tree plantation done by 22 members on their respective area. Tree plantation done by 22 members on their respective area. Our own YouTube channel launched uh, on installation day. On 5th July, Guru Purnima project, we had virtually felicitated 25 Gurus of Art of Living and had given the e-certificates to all. 11th July, a cybersecurity awareness webinar, um, Be Cyber Smart, Be Cyber Safe, by Chairman of Indian Academy, Mr. Ashish Bobde sir, attended by 74. Distribution of 200 masks and 200 sanitizers to vegetable vendors and policemen. Next. 20th July, a webinar on Your Image Matters, Make It Count, by stylist, image consultant, Miss Anuja Zatikar, very informative and professional session, attended by 75. 1st August, celebrated Raksha Bandhan with the policemen. Our club donated raincoats, multivitamin tablets, and sanitizer bottles to 25 traffic police and died Rakis. Next. 2nd August, webinar on mental health and well-being during COVID-19 pandemic, session by psychiatrist Dr. Advait Pate, attended by 55. 8th August, 8th August, webinar on super memory secrets in 30 minutes by Chairman of Indian Academy, Mr. Ashish Bobde sir, for the students of Shivai Balak Mandir school, attended by 70 students. 17th August, मी आणि माझे विचार, online inter-school elocution and poem recitation competition in English, Marathi and Hindi medium. Two groups each of standards 5 to 7 and standard 8 to 10. Total participants 400. This was our one of the mega project. We had given 60 trophies to winners and runners-ups. Next. Shravan Vrat Vaikalya, we made the video of festivals, rituals in Shravan, holy month, for new generations to know and remember about the rituals of this month. We posted this video on our YouTube channel. 1st September, a donation of oximeters to KDMC, Shastri Nagar Hospital COVID Center. Well, 12th September, visit to Dilasa Virangura Old Age Home. As per their need, we donated groceries, blankets, 10-liter pressure cooker, pan, and dry snacks. Next. 27th September, a webinar on awareness on plasma donation by Dr. Mukesh Udani and Dr. Muni Udani, attended by 7. 2nd October, Navi Umang, approach online singing competition for the senior citizens. Participants 149, judged by classical singer and teacher past President Angelique Histi. We send the gifts to winners by courier. 26th October, distribution of mosquito nets to Bekar Niwas, Ulhasnagar. Next. संस्काराच्या गाभाऱ्यात, उखाण्याच्या दालनात, आरतीच्या दप्तरात, ऑनलाइन उखाणा रिडल्स कॉम्पिटिशन and Aarti Thali decoration competition for 2 groups, Innerville district, even for members and other groups. Participants 49. We send the gifts to winners by courier. Next. 3rd November, e-waste collection, total 110 kg e-waste collected by our club. 6th November, Nandadi Foundation Orphanage, Kalyan, donation of food grains 120 kg, beneficiaries 75 kids. 8th November, a unique project, virtual cyclothon, an outdoor cycling event arranged for fundraising to donate tricycles to disabled. Total 149 entries received. Project chairman of this project was Jayashree Pandit. 8th November, Kapde Mahotsav, donation of good clothes, saris to Adivasis near Jawar. Beneficiaries 250. 8th November, visited to Krishnarao Old Age Home, Badlapur. We donated 5 beds, mattresses, bed sheets, shawls to all, and Diwali Farar sweets. Beneficiaries 80. These were the hat-trick projects in Guwahati. 25th November, Manodai Trust, differently ables working and earning here. We donated old newspapers, bed sheets, blouse pieces which they used to make bags, etc. Next, 25th November, distributed Corona awareness banners to auto rickshaws. Next, 25th November, distributed Corona recovery kits. Next, 29th November, donation of 3 tricycles to differently abled. The fund raised through cyclothon project and also distributed the trophies and certificates to winners of cyclothon. Donation of mobile to underprivileged students. Next, 28th December, publication of IWC Dombili East calendar COVID Mardini 2021. This was our fundraising project to donate hearing aids to underprivileged dumb and deaf children. COVID Mardini calendar dedicated to all COVID warriors. Project Chairman Meena Rukindi, past President Anjali, past President Sangeeta, Honorable Secretary Manasi worked hard for this successful project. We raised fund of rupees 1,30,000 from advertisements. Next, 13th January, a wall of humanity at Kusarkar Garden, Dattanagar. Kusarkar Garden एक मराठीतच सांगते कुसाळकर गार्डनच्या गेट जवळ सर्व लोक कचरा आणून टाकत होते आणि तिथे कचरा कुंडीच झाली होती. तेव्हा व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट रोहिणी लोकरे यांनी ती जागा साफ करून घेतली आणि तिथे पुढे बांधकाम करून माणुसकीची भिंत बसली. यावेळी घनकचरा आयुक्त मिस्टर कोकरे सर उपस्थित होते. त्यांनी इनर्जीच्या कामाचे कौतुक केले. सर सर जिथे मेंबर्सने आपल्याला नको असलेले सुस्थितीतले कपडे ठेवावे आणि गरीब लोकांना त्यातून ते घेऊन जात होते. अशी ती माणुसकीची भिंत आम्ही बघतो. नेक्स्ट, 22nd January, Wangni project for Adivasi. We visited at Bedis village near Wangni, donated enough food grains to 60 families for awareness of hygiene, donated 120 packets of sanitary napkins, good condition clothes, saris, bed sheets and utensils, and planted planted 25 trees of banyan, pimper, neem. Members wholeheartedly supported to this project. 3rd February. Next. Sankranti celebrated with 40 KDMC women health workers. Distributed new saris, blouse pieces and sweets. They became very happy. KDMC's solid waste commissioner attended for this program and guided all women about waste management. 5th February. 5th February, webinar on varicose veins and laser treatment. Lecture by specialist in varicose treatment, Dr. Ashish Dhadas, attended by 13th February, Sampurna. A very unique and blessed project. We collected old damaged frames and statues of God. More than 240 people brought old photos and statues, damaged frames, holy books, etc. We gave this to Sampurnam for authentic disposal. 8th March, next. Women's Day celebrated with women factory workers, felicitated them by giving the tiffin boxes and snacks. 11th March, Mukta Balika Ashram, Titwada donated indoor and outdoor games, healthy snacks, masks and sanitary napkins, beneficiaries 20. 19th March, official club visit of district chairman Mrs. Amla Mehta. We get the good remarks from her. 22nd March, donation of fees of underprivileged students of Radhabai Sati School. 25th March, Aiku Anande, donation of hearing aids. This was our ongoing project. We donated best quality of 14 hearing aids to 7 deaf students for both years of Palvi School, Ulhasnagar. With the fund raised, fund raised by IWC calendar COVID Mardini and donors and advertisements. Another. Hearing aids cost of rupees 3,22,000. Next. On the same day, we donated food grains of 120 kg to Swami Chegar for Annada. 27th March, Drishti Dan, cataract operation of 5 poor villagers of Bedis village near Wangli. In March, Surakshit Bachpan, our Surakshit Bachpan coordinators, past President Ujjwala Devkar and Aparna, taken the 6 lectures in Marathi medium of Patkar School and 6 lectures in English medium of Patkar School. Career guidance lecture, BPM's Polytechnic Thane, training and placement officer Mrs. Gautami Pujari, guided the students of 10th standard of Rambau GC School. We participated in all district seminars. Take it, joint webinar project of Zone 6, Homeopathy in COVID Myths and Facts by Dr. Deepa Desai. Second, joint webinar with District 314 clubs, Brahma Kumari Shivani's lecture. Third, motivational talk by Guru, past district chairman 314 Smita Batra, to live a life of purpose. Myself, Ashwini and Honorable Secretary Mansi given 1,000 each to crowdfunding to Rotary Club of Dombey East. Next, district projects. District rural project, one house rainwater harvesting, rupees 8,500. Second, district urban project, donation for 5 oximeters of rupees 6,250. Alternative sources of energy, 3 solar systems, rupees 5,250. District educational project for underprivileged children rupees 2,000 for smartphone. Educational help to five notebook set to PMC school rupees 2,280. Donation of rupees 4,000 for 8 trees to Innerville Forest. Donated 10 kits of food grains to Yusuf Meher Ali Center worth rupees 5,000. Projects conducted more than 50 plus. District projects more than 10. Donations received 2,76,600 and club contributions 2,37,315 and expenses for projects 5,13,915. These are our projects and some achievements by members. पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट अंजलीने पसायदान भाऊ चिंतन हे पुस्तक यूट्यूब वर लॉन्च केले. तसेच पर्शियन बुक 12व्या शतकातील जगप्रसिद्ध पर्शियन लेखक फरीदुद्दीन अत्तार यांचा सुफी काव्यग्रंथ मंतिक तैर अर्थात पक्ष्यांची सभा या ग्रंथाचे अंजलीने सर्वप्रथमच मराठीत ट्रान्सलेशन केले. अंजलीचे अभिनंदन. तसेच बऱ्याच मेंबर्सने डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन्स मध्ये भाग घेऊन प्राइजेस मिळवले. ही सर्व प्रोजेक्ट्स आपण पूर्ण वर्षभरात केलेत. मला फक्त एकच सांगावंसं वाटतंय की मी परवा शुक्रिया फंक्शनला गेले असताना तर आपले जे युनिक प्रोजेक्ट्स होते ते रेकग्नाइज केले गेले नाहीत. थोडंसं त्याबद्दल वाईट वाटलं. Next, my deepest thanks to Honorable Secretary Manasi for guidance of her experience helped me whole year in every project. Thank you once again from bottom of my heart to my team Hum Panch, my dear web manager Poonam, my members. Without your support, this project without your support, these projects couldn't be done. I completed 6 years journey of all Innerville posts and very happy and eager to take now IPP's post. Thanks a ton for everything and all the best to President 2021-22, Rohini Lokre and her team for President election here. Thank you very much. Now introducing our incoming President Rohini Lokre. Radiant incoming President Rohini Lokre. President Rohini is a civil engineer, a self-made young lady, smart, dedicated, trustworthy, ready to help one and all with a smiling face. Though a civil engineer working with bricks and cement, she is blessed with a tender heart which can be seen in the numerous poems she has penned over the years. She has won many awards and recognition in her career span of 32 years as a civil engineer with KDMC. She is currently holding the post of Deputy Civil Engineer, the first lady in the post in the history of KDMC. She is truly fearless in combating anybody coming in the way of her sincere efforts and responsibilities entrusted to her. During the pandemic, she was entrusted with additional in charge of the COVID center of Dombili Gymkhana. She has done exemplary work in managing this, for which she is always in news. The media has written pages and pages about her efforts, and she is a known personality. KDMC has been awarded second prize in all of India for their efforts to treat and control COVID. We are happy that our president is part of this glorious team. She draws great strength through her spirituality and love towards art of living and true service towards her guru Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji. She is an explicit art of living teacher and has conducted more than 35 breath and meditation online and in-person workshops. She has conducted free workshops for the COVID warriors, policemen, and doctors during the pandemic. She joined Innerville in the year 2011-12 and has been very active since 2012-13 onwards. She has taken up various club posts and has been project chairman on various occasions. She has won trust and appreciation for her quiet but fiercely successful way of implementing the projects. On the home front, she is a dedicated daughter, wife, daughter-in-law, and a loving, supportive mother to two young sons and the would-be daughter-in-law. She has special love towards reading, driving, and writing poems. So here I proudly introduce to you all a true friend, our dashing Kirti Lahan, Kirti Mahan, President Rohini Lopre. I am installing President 2021-22. Congratulations, Rohini. All the best for you. Same change.
Thank you, dear Ashwini, for a nice and crisp introduction. Thank you, thank you. IPP. Ashwini has done a wonderful project throughout the year, and she will guide us and guide me for a whole year, throughout the year in future. Ashwini, thank you very much. Small token of love from For Manasi also, but she is not present here. Thank you. Thanks to all members who showed a faith on me. I accept this responsible post of President of Innerville Club of Dombivli East, a very innovative and outstanding club. IWC East. There is a saying that behind every successful man, a woman. But I will modify this. Behind every successful person, the divine is there saying, I am behind you. My Gurudev is behind me. I feel blessed that my Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is with me and behind me. Of course, you all friends are with me. I am fortunate to be president of this well-known club. Friends, this year our mission is to transform the lives of women and girls who are illiterate emotionally and physically and often suffering serious health problems. Our aim to facilitate these females with self-sufficiency, self-defense training and to help them become stronger and physically and mentally. In addition to this, we will make them aware of hygiene as well as teach them yoga and meditation. Mother Teresa said that not all of can do great things. Not all of can do great things, but we can do small things with a great love. डोंबिवलीतील सर्वच महिलांना म्हणजे माझं असं एक ध्येय आहे की डोंबिवलीतील एकही महिला शिल्लक नाही राहिली पाहिजे. सर्वांना सेल्फ डिफेन्स ट्रेनिंग आपण देणार आहोत क्लबच्या माध्यमातून आणि हा वर्षभर आपला प्रोजेक्ट कारण आपली IIW थीम आहे स्ट्रॉंग विमेन स्ट्रॉंगर वर्ल्ड. सो अवर मोटो इज गिवन अ सेल्फ डिफेन्स ट्रेनिंग टू ऑल विमेन इन डोंबिवली. मागील पूर्ण वर्षभर माझ्यावर असलेली कोविड हॉस्पिटल मॅनेजरची जबाबदारी आणि आताही आहे. म्हणजे वर्षभर प्रत्येक दिवस हा माझा प्रोजेक्टच होता. रोज अटीतटीच्या प्रसंगाला मला सामोरं जावं लागत होतं. त्या काळात कोविडग्रस्तांना क्लब मार्फत देखील आपल्या क्लब मार्फत देखील आपण सडक हस्ते मदत केलेली आहे. माझ्या इतर मैत्रिणींनी देखील कोविड हॉस्पिटलसाठी मदत केलेली आहे. अजूनही करतायत. आजही एक सकाळी प्रोजेक्ट त्या ठिकाणी आपला झाला. त्यामुळे साहजिकच माझा ऑनगोईंग प्रोजेक्ट हा कोविडशी लढा आणि कोविड मधून मुक्तता हाच असणार आहे. But not least for my beloved member, everyone wants to come out from this lockdown and I sincerely pray for all that lockdown should be end as early as possible so that we can do fellowships, picnic and going out for dhamal and masti. Continue our ongoing projects also. Navi Umang, which I love very much. Glaucoma detection, eye operations, health checkup, goods and clothes, grocery donation to old age homes and padas. Let's introduce my new sincere team and very charming team. First, IPP, adorable Ashwini. Again, I will give you a small photo. Adorable Ashwini. She has done a wonderful project and she will guide me throughout the year. VP Simli Shobha Javkar. She is a very stronger member of our club, very enthusiastic, good leader, and very helpful. Shobha Javkar. Secretary Perky Poonam Bobde. She is our club's webmaster, founder of Brain Gan Academy. She always cheerful and very enthusiastic personality. Thank you. Treasurer, magnetic personality, Madhuri Chaman. She is our past president and she is electronic and telecommunication engineer also. She will sponsor for our project very happily without hesitation. ISO valid Vishakha Phadke. She is a fashion designer. She loves reading, writing, and conducting tuitions. CC Peaceful Pratibha Kare. She loves cooking. She loves cooking and she always learns to new things. She is a very sincere and hard worker. Thank you. CCC Sincere Sharwari Ketkar. She is not present over here, but Zoom Sharwari Ketkar. She is devoted for a small work also. She is very devoted. Sharwari Ketkar. Now, my executive committee members, PP Vidya Baitule. She is one of our club, Vidya Baitule. PP Astod Anjali Khisti. Astod means she is a clever and solution to any problem. When we have any problem, she has solution. Anjali, problem solver. Thank you. She is singer, writer, and very dynamic personality. And एक महत्वाची गोष्ट मला सांगायची, मला या क्लब मध्ये इंट्रोड्यूस अंजलीने केलेलं आहे. PP, sincere and senior valuable Vijaya Nandre. Then PP, resourceful Rajashri Taure. She is our ring master. Vijaya Nandre, she is a Yog Pandit. PP, joyful Jayashri Tambat. PP, Jayashri Tambat. PP, smart and learned Sangeeta Godse. Affectionate Dr. Anjana Parashar. She also not. Yes, drawing. Please show Anjana Parashar. Anjana ma'am. Lata madam सोबत. मी व्हिडिओ प्ले करते त्याच्यात सगळ्याचे इंट्रोडक्शन. Now my subcommittees: drug addiction, Rekha Deshpande, Sulma Kamble, Vanita Kshirsagar. Ecotourism, Sangeeta Godse, Shilpa Nathur. Innerville Blog, Anjali Kisti, Meena Godkindi, Aparna Samboram. E-learning, e-literacy, Sharvari Joshi and Bhakti Bhandari. Sharvari Joshi and Bhakti Bhandari is present over here. Please welcome. Management, E-Waste Management, Rajashri Taure, Lata Manspurkar. And our I had with him Sri Shakti Women Empowerment. For that, Lata Manspurkar, Kirti Joshi, Sulama Dhonde, Uma Deshpande, Yogita Patil, Sarojini Upadhyay, Kanchan Bhatt, Shailaja More, Rohini Patil, Nanda Patil, and Headmistress Rajashri Chaure. Surakshit Bachpan, Ujjwala Devghar, Leena Chaudhary. स्पर्श एक एहसास, विद्या वैतुले, विजया नांद्रे. Environment seminars and environment coordinator Naina Sunthankar, Sharvari Ketkar. Mangrove Marathon, Jayashri Pandit, Naina Sunthankar. Rally and cultural events, Dr. Rajashri Shikhande, Jayashri Tampat, and Ashwini Zade. Our IPP. Triennial, Sangeeta, Manasi, and Shilpa. District Conference, Mega Paivir, Bharti Palkar. Hygiene and Happiness, Dr. Anusuya Upal, Dr. Anjana Parashar. So this is my team. Honorable Chief Guest Devangi ji. Last, I want to share my presentation of my team. small introduction. Very nice presentation, PPT by our Secretary Poonam Bobde. Thank you, Poonam. Especially thanks today's chief guest, dashing and dynamic PDC Dr. Devangi ji, IWC District 314. Our special guest of honor, selfless Dr. Sandeep Kadam, IPDG District 3142. Guest of honor, knowledgeable Kaustubji Kashelkar, President Rotary Club of Dombivli East. And last but not least, I want to share a sentence of my Gurudev. He says that we should walk like a king and behave like a perfect servant. We should walk like a king and behave like a perfect servant. Members, I promised you that we will do magnificent here and will work hard for the community. Thank you all. Thank you once again from bottom of my heart. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. I request IPP Ashwini to release a bulletin or roster. The new bulletin. Now, induction of new members. Today we'll induct our 4 new members. First is Shilpa Sumantanaku. She is my best friend from last 22 years. She is rejoining owner of Seema Enterprises, and she is a very dashing and dynamic, passionate, and committed to social work. She has donated 25,000 rupees for our project. She has given a check of 25,000. She has paid her fees also. Hope she will donate throughout the year for every project. देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. हात नाही घेणार आम्ही, फक्त घेत राहणार. Yes. Dr. Varsha Patil. Varsha Patil is not here. She is BAMS and practicing from last 14 years as a gynec, infertility and beauty consultant. She has been selected as a finalist in MedicWin Mrs. Maharashtra 2021. And वर्षा पाटील यांना प्रपोज केलेला आहे आपल्या पीपी जयश्री तांबट यांनी. तो जयश्री तांबट. थर्ड मेंबर मिसेस जोशना अशोक भावे. शी इज retired from Kanchan Gauri Mahila Sarkari Kopedi. She loves to do social work and she loves to help needy people also. Welcome Josna Bhaveji and देखील जयश्री तांबट यांनीच आपल्या क्लब मध्ये इंट्रोड्यूस केलेला आहे. सो जयश्री तांबट यांनी आज 2 मेंबर आपल्याकडे आणलेले आहेत. फोर्थ मेंबर सुनीला पोद्दार. She is rejoining. यांची यादी खूप मोठी आहे सुनीला पोद्दारांची. She is my best friend. कथक विशारद, BCom LLB MA in कथक. संस्थापिका संचालिका एकलव्य आर्ट फाउंडेशन. गेले 21 वर्षांपासून 500हून अधिक विद्यार्थिनींना कथक प्रशिक्षण त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे. भारतात तसे भारताच्या बाहेर 700हून अधिक नृत्य सोहळ्यांमध्ये त्यांचा सहभाग आहे. राष्ट्रीय आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार त्यांना प्राप्त आहेत नृत्यामधले. अशा सुनीलाताई आमच्या क्लबच्या पुन्हा मेंबर झालेल्या आहेत. सुनीलाताई. I will request guest of honor Kaustubji Kashyap. Vishakha. ISU Vishakha. She will introduce.
Architecture Kaustubh Kashyap. He is the director at Kashyap Design Private Limited. He is a second generation firm with an expertise of 41 years old, rich architecture consulting. The firm is focused in mainly industrial and commercial architecture and has a strong presence in Maharashtra Industrial Developmental Corporation. The firm is accredited architectural firm with MIDC. Architecture Kaustubh and its firm Kashyap Design Private Limited is a consulting firm to many industries. To name a few: Herbert Brown Research Labs and Pharmaceutical, Garda Chemical Limited, Indo Amines Limited, Fine Organics Limited, IG Petrochemical Limited, Aquatex Limited. He is done Master in Architecture in Construction Management. His graduate thesis was selected for Archipix International Competition held in New York from our country. He is the youngest president of Rotary Club of Dombivli East for the current year 2021-22. He is served as Honorable Secretary in 2018-19, where a club had been selected as Platinum Club by Rotary International based on Parpana of the club. He had been a project director for Rotary India Literacy Mission for year 2017-18, where, where he had awarded as Best Director Award for its excellent performance and initiative under its avenues. He, as a project chairman, had started a Rotary Club in 2014-15. In his club, which is now a strong Rotary Club with 17 plus members. He coined the idea of Virtual Valmya project, a pet project of Rotary Club of Dombivli East in Jos. The divine year, it was at this junction that almost 500 students from all over the Thane district and completed 6 virtual competitions.
गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर कौस्तुभी कशेळकर यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आमच्या सर्व क्लब मेंबर्सना मार्गदर्शन करावं. आज सकाळीच त्यांचा इन्स्टॉलेशन सेरेमनी पार पडलेला आहे, तो त्याची मी आय विटनेस आहे. येस
Yes. President Rohini Lokare ma'am, today's chief guest Dr. Devangi Vakharia ji, guest of honor our PDG Dr. Sandeep Kadam, IPS IPP Ashwini Jade ma'am, IPS Secretary Mansi Vaidya ji. I have been listening to all the projects that you have done for the last year and the upcoming projects given by Rohini ma'am. It is internally beautiful the way we are handling the COVID situation, and still the humanity is crossing whatever adversaries it's facing. So hats off to the entire Innerville Club of Dombivli East for doing such a wonderful job to serve our humanity. So a big round of applause to the entire club members, and also the current leaders of the last year's and this year's planning. I wish you all the best, because International Women Organization is one of the most largest actually in women membership. So I think looking forward to see all the projects, and would be love to be a part of your projects wherever Rohini ma'am is trying to venture. Would be happy to be part of it as a Rotary Club of Dombivli East. So over to you, Rohini ma'am. Thank you.
मदत आम्हाला पूर्ण वर्षभर लागणार आहे विमेन एम्पॉवरमेंट प्रोजेक्टसाठी. आज नाव टुडेज स्पेशल गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर IPDG डॉक्टर संदीपजी कदम. संदीपजी कदम यांना मी 1 महिन्यापूर्वीच आमंत्रित केलेलं आहे. ते आमचे फॅमिली मेंबर्स आहेत. गेले 32 वर्षांपासूनचे आमचे घरचे संबंध आहेत डॉक्टरांचे, आणि त्या प्रेमापोटी त्यांच्या व्यस्त शेड्यूल मधून, त्यांचा उद्या शुक्रिया प्रोग्राम आहे, तर त्या व्यस्त शेड्यूल मधून त्यांनी आपल्याला वेळ दिलेला आहे. खूप खूप धन्यवाद डॉक्टर कदम साहेब. आणि आज डॉक्टर्स डे आहे. तुम्हाला डॉक्टर्स डेच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. माझ्या क्लब मेंबर्स आणि डॉक्टर देवांगी वखारेंना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. यांचा डॉक्टर संदीप कदम यांचं इंट्रोडक्शन आमच्या संगीता गोडसे या करून देतील.
Thank you, President Rohini, for allowing me to introduce today's special honorable guest. IPDG Immediate Past District Governor of District 3142, Dr. Sandeep Bapu Kadam. Happy Doctor's Day, sir. Sandeep Kadam, a pediatrician, is a newborn and child specialist for over 30 years in his Tushar nursing home in Thane, and he is also a visiting consultant at Jupiter Hospital. Born in Shiravali, Sindhudurg, he completed his education in the field of pediatric medicine, MBBS, DCH, and MD Pediatrics from Sir J. J. Grant Medical College, Mumbai, in the year 1988. He is active in many professional organizations, and to name a few, Indian Academy of Pediatrics, IMA Thane branch, and has worked at senior most administrative positions there. He has organized more than 15 medical events and conferences at various district, state, and national levels. Importantly, he is deep-rootedly connected with Sindhudurg and is the founder president of Sindhudurg Medicals Association. His Rotary career began in 1996 when he was invited in Rotary Club of Thane North End in 1996 and was elected president for the year 2001 and 2002. He was recognized for outstanding quality of service, dependability leadership by late DG Sri Suresh Rathod ji in the year 2001-2002. He was conferred with the title of Best Rotarian consecutively twice between 1997 to 1999. On 3 occasions, he was awarded as the Best Past President. More than 23 leadership positions have been held by him at the club level and 22 very important portfolios at the district level since 2002. He has received distinguished service citations from 7 district governors till 2020. Dr. Kadam has also served as the Director, Chief Coordinator, and Chairman of College of Club Leaders. The list of awards and recognitions seems to be never ending for Dr. Kadam. On the home front, he is happily married to Dr. Ranjana, a practicing gynecologist and obstetrician and past president of Innerville Club of Thane West. His son Dr. Tushar is MS and DNB in orthopedics, and daughter-in-law Dr. Rashmi is pursuing MD in pathology at KEM Hospital. A major donor couple, Dr. Sandeep and Dr. Ranjana Kadam, has just successfully completed the roller coaster year in the history of Rotary, that is year 2020-21, as the district governor and first lady. They have just stepped down from today onwards. So they become our IPDG. The just past year 2021 of Rotary was indeed a trying year for everybody, and especially leading from the top was full of challenges. In spite of this, Dr. Sandeep Kadam has proved his mettle once again in his Rotary career and has emerged victorious as the district governor of 2020-21 of District 3142. In spite of the illustrious aura and achievements in his professional and Rotary lifespan, he is down to earth and a true Rotarian at heart. Here I present to you the very gracious, gentle, ever smiling, mature IPDG Dr. Sandeep Kadam, our special honorable guest this evening. Thank you, sir.
To request Dr. Sandeep Kadam, please address us. Dr. Sandeep Kadam.
काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम झाला लीव झाले काय एक मिनिट They mute it. Four buckets.
संदीप जी. आवाज येत नाही. स्वतः अनम्यूट करू शकतो सर. ते सर अनम्यूट नाही होते, त्यांना अनम्यूट ते म्हणतात मला म्यूट केलं, त्यांच्याकडनं बोलून झालं. हा
त्यांचं ऑडिओ कनेक्ट नाहीये.
सर तुमचा ऑडिओ कनेक्ट नाहीये.
ऑडिओ कनेक्ट नाहीये, त्यांचं स्वतःचं ऑडिओ तिकडून कनेक्ट नाहीये. त्यांनी ऑडिओ कनेक्ट नाही केलंय तर मी त्यांना म्यूट अनम्यूट नाही करू शकत. त्यांना पुन्हा लॉग इन करून लॉग आउट करून लॉग इन करावं लागेल.
सर तुम्ही डॉक्टर देवांगी जी.
Yes, are we through? Did he's not able to connect with us?
There is a connection problem, net problem. So he will join later.
He can give an audio if you want. You can request him. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes. Our chief guest, madam, 1 minute please. Our chief guest, Dr. Devangi Vakharia. I have been worked with her when I was in ISO and CC also. I learned so many things from Dr. Devangi ji. Thank you, Devangi ji, for accepting our invitation as a chief guest. I would like to request to give introduction of Dr. Devangi ji, our chief guest, to Lata Maisturkar. Lata Maisturkar.
You need to unmute herself.
लता मॅम अनम्यूट करा.
लता मॅडम अनम्यूट करा.
आता ऐकू येते?
आता ऐकू येतं.
ओके ओके. हा काय थोडं स्टार्ट व्हिडिओ. या ओके, आय टॉक टू यू. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce Dr. Devangi Vakharia, past district chairman, District 314. With her vision towards generating well-being for all, and a passion to serve the community with social and humanitarian approach, Dr. Devangi Vakharia comes across as a lifelong learner with great zeal to explore new avenues. Right? Dr. Devangi, an alumni of Nagpur University, completed her master's in human development with focus on gifted children, obtaining her doctoral thesis on parental expectation and anxiety in adolescents. Dr. Devangi has been working as a professor and practicing counselor for 35 years as a part of visiting faculty at SNDT Women's University. She heads the postgraduate diploma in early childhood education
एक मिनिट लता मॅम
and also has been counseling. ऐकू येते?
आता परफेक्ट
हा अगं काय थोडं डिस्टर्बन्स होतं सॉरी. Yeah, she heads the postgraduate diploma in early childhood education and also has been counseling at Nanavati College, keenly following MMR vaccination for the past 15 years. Her vision and aim is to empower the girl child to help them establish independent identity. Dr. Devangi is married to Ajay Vakharia, a stockbroker and investor, and is blessed with 2 children, Nisarga and Nilomi. Dr. Devangi joined Innerville in 2000, climbing the ladder of success, reaching the post of district chairman, bringing laurels to her club and excelling in all district levels also. A woman of various accomplishments, Dr. Devangi wears many hats and pursues many interests while balancing her professional and personal commitments easily. She is an accomplished in musical arts, playing sitar and piano, as well as she enjoys cooking and traveling. A firm believer in karma, her philosophy of life is simple: be good and do good for its own sake. I present before you, ever smiling, helpful in nature, and elegant Dr. Devangi Vakhari. Thank you.
Dr. Sandeep Kadam has joined. Yes. Dr. Sandeep Kadam. He will address us. Unmute करा.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. First of all, my sincere apology for there are a lot of issues as far as the internet connections. Here, there is likely to be heavy rainfall is going to be here. So that's why a little electrical issues are here. Thank you very much, Rohini, for inviting me here on the platform of Innerville Club of Dombivli East. Your outgoing president, IPP Ashwini, you are installed right now as the current president of Innerville Club of Dombivli East. All your office bearer and the PDC Devangi Vakharia, Innerville District 314. She was one of the very successful Innerville president I have ever come across in District 314. So can we have a big round of applause to Devangi herself, because she has really led the district during her chairmanship last year. And I had a good time to interact with her during our interaction in the assembly and also at the district conference. Thank you, madam, for closely associated Innerville and district 3142. Yes, I see your Rotary Club of Dombivli East President Kaustubh Kashelkar. There are many Rotarians who are part of my core team, and their spouses are here in Innerville Club of Dombivli East. I would like to take their name, Mrs. Vaidya, Mrs. Vidya Baitule, Anjali Kisti, then Sangeeta Godse, and all others. I welcome them as well. Friends, I was listening to your presentations, and first of all, at the beginning only, I would like to uh, express my feeling about the working pattern of Innerville. I must compliment and congratulate all the Innerville clubs because they are very sincere in their work, they are very meticulous in their work, and they are absolutely to the job. No hanky panky here and there. They are absolutely down to the earth, and they remain on the ground and do their community service very gracefully and from the bottom of their heart. That is one thing which I must appreciate here on this platform, where each and every member of your Innerville club are passionate to do something for the community. Friends, I also would like to congratulate Rohini for inducting 4 new members in the first month itself, because growing is the need of the hour. Growth is the sign of life, and adding a few members in the first month itself shows that you want to build this club. And I also want to compliment the Innerville club of Dombivli East, because your parent club, Dombivli East, is one of the most performing club, one of the most role model club in District 3142, and almost is the only club having largest membership, more than 150 members. So, can we have a big round of applause to Rotary Club of Dombivli East? And I'm sure they are all supporting you when the club like Dombivli East is supporting, and at the backhand support, they will be definitely pushing you all throughout the year to do something better and bolder in during this year. I am sure Rohini Lokre, I have been knowing this couple, her spouse Raju, and myself. We know their parents almost nearly 30 years, and her father-in-law was a teacher. He was a role model teacher in Bhiwandi School and College, and we were looking him like a fatherly figure. We used to take his advice when we were young, started our practices that time. And when I spent about 6 years in Bhiwandi, I had a very close interaction with this family. Since then, I have been observing Raju and Rohini, and they are literally what workaholic, I can say. Whatever job they are undertaking, they are totally more than 200% commitment. Right now, she is the in charge of COVID-19 hospital in Dombivli, and I get so many messages and so many uh, praiseworthy remarks from Rotarians and their family members that Rohini Lokre, who is a engineer in KDMC, is in charge of this hospital, and she is doing wonderful job. I request all the members and all the participants to give a big round of applause to Rohini, because she is like a COVID-19 warrior, helping all the needy patients. Even I had 1 or 2 patients who needed admission in Dombivli on a emergency basis, and just one phone call to Rohini, and she made all the arrangements. All these 2-3 patients got immediate admission, and they were taken care very well, and they were discharged in a almost 3 to 5 days of span of time. So thank you, Rohini, for doing that service above self. Even if you are not there in Rotary, but you are continuing through your Innerville organization. So I am sure Rohini is going to provide a charismatic leadership during this year 21-22 for Innerville Club of Domboli East, and she is definitely not only she is going to work on membership, but she is also going to work on the community service, maybe through COVID-19 hospital facilities and other projects required. Friends, I would like to say few Hindi lines for appropriate for the presidents, and these lines goes like this. रोहिणी सफर में धूप तो होगी, सफर में धूप तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो, सभी है भीड़ में तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो, सभी है भीड़ में तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो, किसी के वास्ते राहें कहाँ बदलती है, किसी के वास्ते राहें कहाँ बदलती है, तुम अपने आप को खुद ही बदल सको तो चलो, तुम अपने आप को खुद ही बदल सको तो चलो, यही है जिंदगी, कुछ ख्वाब चंद उम्मीदें, इन्हीं खिलौनों से तुम भी बहल सको तो चलो. So with this, friends, I wish Rohini and entire her team all the very best, and I'm sure under the leadership of Rohini, she is going to take your Innerville Club to a greater height. And my heartfelt thanks to Rohini and her entire family for inviting me to your installation ceremony. Dr. Ranjana, my spouse, joins with me to wish best wishes for your Innerville Club. Thank you very much. And now you will have to excuse me, Madam PDC. Also, you will have to excuse me. I have so many programs lined up, and I have to work hard for my Shukriya tomorrow. So please excuse me.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All the best to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kadam. Dr. Devangi ji.
Yes, a very good evening to all of you. President Rohini, Vice President Shobha, immediate past President Ashwini, Secretary Poonam, Treasurer Madhuri, ISO Vishaka, Club Correspondent Pratibha, Guest of Honor Dr. Sandeep Kadam, Rotary President Kaustubh Kashelkar, Executive Committee, invited guests, and my dear Innerville members. I feel really proud and privileged to be a part of today's installation ceremony. You know the reason why? Because today I saw that your club was formed in 1986. You're already 35 years old. And 51 members and a kickstart with 4 members adding, you go to 55 members. So big applause to all of you that the way you have having a firm footing is so valuable and appreciable. Thank you so much, Banker, Golden President Lata, for introducing me in such a big way. I just wanted a small introduction. But anyway, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. First of all, I take this opportunity to congratulate Ashwini for giving a wonderful, memorable, and a valuable year. I would say a COVID year, which was so challenging. And in uncertainties, you've done a fantastic job. I have just gone through the presentation, what you've done. So big applause for her and her team for taking challenges and bringing a lot of laurels to your club. I know you were recognized for your project at Shukriya just yesterday. So congratulations to you. Well, this year, on behalf of District 314, I come here because District Chairman couldn't make it. And Rohini says, I want you. I said, I won't be able to come in person, but yes, virtually, definitely, I will try to make it. And that's how I'm here today. So on behalf of District Chairman Sunita Jain, I bring best wishes and hearty congratulations to you, Rohini, for this year 21-22. Now, I don't know, when I was seeing this, all wonderful ladies, so mature, and I really feel that yes, as Dr. Kadam said, he had so many compliments and appreciation for us. Why? And the only reason why I find is because we all have a purpose of life. And that purpose of life, what we have taken is commitment, dedication, and not only towards our family, but towards the community and society at large. And that's how we are able to do a commendable job whenever we take up something. So it reminds me of a story, and I just want to share this story, a very simple story, which talks about a purpose of life. There was a school administrator, and he was doing his duties with so much of discipline, but unfortunately, his only son wouldn't do anything. He was a lazy boy. And over the period of time, when his time came to retire from the school, he thought, what could I give to my son where he could get something what I have done for all through my life? And so he decided to give a box which was full of grains, some grains, some clothes, and a note written in this box which said that there is a treasure at a cliff. Now, this was something where the boy, his son, was really very anxious to know that what was the treasure my father is going to give me, which is kept at the cliff, at a mountain. And so he starts his journey, walking down all through the different places, and it took months and 2 years to reach that place to find the treasure. And when he goes there, he sees the empty box, which does not have anything. So, getting a little angry at that time, he tries going back to his home, thinking that why did my father do this? That was one. Second, thinking that maybe I was late reaching at that cliff and the treasure was taken away by someone. But when he was walking by the road, the places which he had crossed, his life had completely changed. He had to struggle to find his shelter. He was enjoying the journey like he was meeting people. People were feeding him. They were helping him out. And he was seeing the beauty of nature, enjoying the environment, and he made a lot of friends on his way back. So when he reached home and the father saw him, the father thought that my son would be so angry. The first thing he did was he gave a hug to his son and welcomed back to home. And the father was quite shocked that why is my not son responding anything? Why isn't he getting angry? So he just asked him, how was your journey? He said, the journey going to the cliff was very difficult, but journey back to home was very, very beautiful. And that was really shocking for the father to hear from his son, who was so lazy and he had not been home for 2 years. So then finally, the father asked that why aren't you angry? He says, my father, I know this was just a lesson for me in a life to learn that life is not so easy and I must find a purpose in life, which I have found when I was coming from the cliff to the home. So the purpose of life here, it says, it's not going to be only be happy. The moral of the story is, it is more important to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, and to make some difference that you have lived and lived well. So, dear friends, on his way back, he had miracles happening every day and learned so many different skills and the art of survival. And that's what we as women in Innerweal do. We have come across a pandemic last year, which has struck us so badly, but it is we as women, we were so strong enough not handle the home responsibilities, but also we have shown our dedication towards our own organization by not taking a stand behind and doing projects every day by day and adding value to our organization. So what I feel is that everyone wants to be the sun to brighten someone's life, but not be the moon to shine on someone's darkest hour, where we as Innerweal have shown ourselves as shining in the darkest times during pandemic. So the purpose of life, dear Rohini, is to believe, to have hope, and to strive. Live it, experience it to the utmost, reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experiences. And I'm sure the way you have given your presentation today, where you have formed all the project directors, whatever projects have been given by the association and by the district chairman, you have already started working on it and you have enrolled a member who has already contributed for a project. So what a wonderful start. And this shows that, yes, responsibilities and duties that you have taken. And it reminds me of a quote from Winston Churchill. It says, "The price of greatness is responsibility and duty, which becomes a desire and will ultimately become a delight." So congratulations to all of you. And once again, thank you so much for inviting me over here. And I see you all in all the district events and the district projects, whether virtual or in person. I also take this opportunity to talk something about the projects. What we have taken this year is rural project is Amrit Manthan urban project at Wadia Hospital, where we are opening a orthopedic center. Environment, where I think whether Rohini, could you go today for the project mangroves? Okay. Environment, ecotourism, drug addiction and Surakshit Bachpan. Now, I am the chairman for drug addiction and Surakshit Bachpan. And I really appreciate that you have formed the coordinators from your club. And very soon we'll be connecting them through our coordinators from your zone. Also, Sri Shakti, which is women entrepreneurship. And so this year, we are really going to make a large difference, adding so much of good projects, as it is the IIW theme is strong women, strong world. And I really appreciate the way Dr. Kadam and the Rotary President Ostub has appreciated with a lot of adjectives for you women. And so let's take this on a stride that yes, we can do it, we will do it, and we will keep on doing it. Thank you so much.
I would
Rohini,
like to. Yes, yes. Yeah, madam.
you would like to induct the members? You are pinning them today?
Already in the
Sorry?
pinning. Yes, pin them.
Sorry? Have you pinned them?
Yes, only one member is present over here. 3 members are attending virtually.
Okay, no, we need to give a vow to them. That is the reason I'm asking you. We need to give a vote to them and we welcome them to our club.
Shilpa Nathu. She is a new member.
Yes, so dear Innoville members of Dombivli East, please raise your right hand. As we say up here, we can't stand. So let's welcome the new members. I think we welcome all the 4 members, Sunita, Shilpa, Dr. Varsha, and one more, Jyotsna, right? 4 members. The following, the objectives of the Innoville are to promote our friendship, true friendship, to encourage the ideals of personal service, and to foster international understanding. You have been invited to become a member of this Innoville Club because we are sure you will welcome the responsibilities of friendship and service that membership brings with it. We believe that you will enjoy being a member of our truly international organization and take full and active part in all that this club offers. We do hope that you will feel you are among friends and enjoy participating in all aspects of Innoville. On behalf of Innoville Club of Dombivli East, I welcome you and I introduce all the 4 members to you and ask you to extend your friendship to her. Please welcome all the 4 members and thank you so much. I think Sunila has contributed rupees 25,000. Shilpa. Congratulations and a big thank you to give a good kickstart for the year. Thank you so much. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the doctors. Happy Doctors Day. I see Dr. Varsha Patil, Dr. Anjana, and Dr. Kadam, and I see those, whoever I can see. So wish you all the best and let's do our best, whatever we can do in our unprecedented times. But friends, stay safe, stay healthy, do not lose hope, have hope, keep your passion, keep your dedication, and the life moves on. Thank you.
Devangide, I would like to say that I am very fortunate. My father and mother are with me on today. My daughter-in-law and my son is also here. Ashutosh Lopre.
Thank you.
Younger son, and इन दोनों की वजह से ही मैंने ये आज सेल्फ डिफेंस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम जो साल भर प्रोग्राम चलने वाला है सेल्फ डिफेंस का, ये दोनों ही करने वाले थे.
Very good.
She is international gold medalist in judo, Asian Games. She is the first lady of India who is acquired gold medal in judo. And Dr. Abdul Kalam has felicitated him, Dombivli, and also Prime Minister, ex-Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. He has given 1 lakh rupees award to her when she won.
When I won the Asian gold medal and I also won the best player of Asia award.
And she donated fully 1 lakh rupees in community services.
वेरी गुड. आपका तो फैमिली खजाना है रोहिणी. इट्स अ ट्रेजर. Thank you so much for your contribution. Keep up the service. And I'm sure your mother is going to be doing very well, as she has rightly introduced all her team. Radiant Rohini. So she's going to bring radiance to your club. Thank you so much.
Both are ready to give training for the year. So I want to felicitate them. Secretarial announcement. Poonam. Good evening, everyone. Today's attendance, total number of attendees 55, 20 number of attendees physically present, and 35 number of people attending on Zoom. Our next project is blood donation camp for thalassemia patients, which is happening on 11 July 2021 at Swamin Segar between 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks. Gaukar. Then Poseidon will be there. Poseidon. Anjali.
नमस्कार. मी शोभा जावकर, व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट. सर्वांचं स्वागत करत आहे. आजचं गेस्ट श्री डॉक्टर देवांगी वखारिया, तसेच आपले गेस्ट ओनर IPDG ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3142 डॉक्टर संदीप कदम, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ डोंबिवली ईस्ट चे प्रेसिडेंट कौस्तुभ शेखर, तसेच या वर्षीचे झोन 6 चे झोनल कोऑर्डिनेटर वर्षा चौधरी या सर्वांचे वेळात वेळ काढून उपस्थित राहिल्याबद्दल आभार प्रकट करते. आमच्या आजच्या कार्यक्रम झूम द्वारे उपस्थित राहिलेल्या सर्व मान्यवर व सर्व इनरव्हील मेंबर यांचे आभार प्रकट करते. आमचा कार्यक्रम अत्यंत उत्तम रीतीने पार पाडल्याबद्दल रोहिणी व रोहिणीचे परिवार, मित्र सगळ्यांचे आभार. कळत न कळत कोणी राहिलं असेल तर त्यांचेही मी आभार प्रकट करते.
पूनम शोभा इज एक्चुअली गुजराती में बोलते थे तो बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन हो जाता था.
गुजराती में बोलने दो ना. હવે તમે ગુજરાતીમાં બોલી દો.
मैं मारवाड़ी हूँ, राजस्थान की. सॉरी.
हाँ ठीक है. Poseidon. आज ज्याची आपल्याला अत्यंत आवश्यकता आहे ती आहे मनःशांती. या कोविड सिच्युएशन मध्ये प्रत्येकाला मनाचं स्वास्थ्य शांती हवी आहे, मेंटल पीस हवा आहे. फॉर दॅट Poseidon इज व्हेरी गुड अँड अंजली इज माझ्या सगळ्या कार्यक्रमांना शेवटी अंजूचं बसायचं हे असतंच असतं. रिजन्सी पेमेंट असू दे किंवा पर्सनल कुठले कार्यक्रम असू दे, आर्ट ऑफ लिव्हिंग असू दे, अंजूचं बसायचं हे असतंच. थँक्यू डॉक्टर देवांगीजी.
Thank you very much. My pleasure. And wish you all the best. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. See you soon. Thank you.
Thank you all.
I think Varsha was there today. Varsha, zonal coordinator. I forgot to address her. Was she there today? No, na? I didn't see her.
She's there.
She's there, okay. My apologies for that, not recognizing her. Zone 6 coordinator, Varsha. Wish you all the best. Congratulations and wish you all the best. And I saw Geeta also, Geeta Kulkarni. Yes. Congratulations. All the best to you, Geeta. Thank you for your compliments.
Meeting.
Okay. Thank you, Rohini. Wish you all the best. Start shining from today itself. You can adjourn the meeting. Yes.
Meeting is adjourned.
Can I take your leave, Rohini?
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Bye.